Hello dear students, in this lecture we are going to see null points and their location. Here there are two fields. One field is due to magnet and another field is due to earth. Okay, earth's magnetic field and magnetic field. The point where these two fields become equal in magnitude and opposite in direction, at that point the total net magnetic field will become 0. Okay, so that point is called null point. I hope you understood. So null point is nothing but here when the magnetic field due to bar magnet is equal to Earth's magnetic field. Okay, then the net magnetic field is 0. Okay, the point where the net magnetic field becomes 0, so there null point will be found. So now we are going to find the distance of this null point. Okay, when we place the north pole of the bar magnet facing towards geographic north, and even we are going to find out the null points when south pole of the magnet is pointing towards geographic north. So in these two cases we are going to find out null point. Right. Now see, this is first one. North pole of the bar magnet is facing towards geographic north. So these are the directions of earth: north, east, west, south. So north upward, it is showing north upward. And here bar magnet, north pole of the bar magnet also adjusted in such a way its north pole is pointing geographic north. Okay, so right now when we place like this, then the magnetic lines of force will be formed like this. The pattern of these lines will be like this. Okay, if you observe these lines, like they're at 2 points here, 2 points, the total net magnetic field is becoming 0. So how this net field becomes 0 at these points? Okay, so these 2 points are on the equator, magnetic equator. So why these null points will be found on the magnetic equator? Now see this diagram. Okay, so this is the pattern of magnetic lines of force, and here everywhere on the axis, okay, magnetic axis, here the direction of magnetic field upward. Okay, magnetic field upward, and even the direction of Earth's magnet also, magnetic field also upward. So both are acting in same direction. Okay, so here on the equator, on the axis, magnetic axis, on the magnetic axis, the field due to magnet bar magnet and the horizontal component of Earth's field of Earth's magnetic field act in same direction. So if you observe in the direction, so these are the lines of forces. Okay, these are the lines of forces. So these lines of forces direction, if you see, this direction of magnetic field due to bar magnet, and the geographic magnetic field due to this Earth's magnetic field BH acts in same direction. So there is no zero net magnetic field. So in the same way downward also same. But here if you see on the equator, so these are the lines of Earth's magnetic field, and these are the lines of magnetic field, bar magnetic field. So bar magnetic field, north, here these magnetic lines of force travel from north to south, right? So downward. And earth magnetic field lines, they can travel from south to north, upward. So now where these two magnetic fields become equal at particular distance on the equator, at particular distance, let us take this distance is d. At particular distance, this Earth's magnetic field and bar magnetic field both becomes equal, their magnitudes. Okay, direction opposite. So there this null point will be found. In the same way on either side, this side also same, at same distance. Here this is the direction of magnetic field of bar magnet, and this is the direction of Earth's magnetic field. So both are in opposite direction at same distance. this null point will be formed. Okay, so right now on the equator, both the fields act in opposite direction. In opposite direction. At a point on the equator, both the fields become equal. Then that point is called, this point is called null point. Okay, so at that point, magnetic field due to bar magnet is equal to magnetic field due to Earth's horizontal component. Okay, so right, so now you know magnetic field, like magnetic field due to bar magnet on the equator. So what is the formula? Therefore BH is equal to mu naught by 4 pi. On the equator it is m by d cube, right? Let us take the magnetic moment of bar magnet is capital M. So m by d cube. This is the formula. M by d cube. Okay. So here you will see an application. If the d is the distance of null point on the equatorial line, then the net magnetic field at d by 2. So usually at a distance d, both the fields are become equal. Okay, so here net field at d by 2 can calculate by taking the net field due to magnet minus due to Earth's horizontal component. Okay, Earth's field. So Bm minus Bh. So here I'll write the formula mu naught by 4 pi into m by d cube, where d is d by 2. So d by 2 whole cube minus Bh. So that is equal to, yes, here d Bh, also I write formula mu naught by 4 pi m by d cube, right? M by d cube. Now if you write this one, 8 Bh minus Bh, 8 times the Bh minus Bh, so that is equal to 7 Bh. So at a distance d by 2, the net magnetic field is 7 times the Earth's magnetic field. Okay, so in the same way at a distance 2d, so Bm difference Bh. Okay, so mu naught by 4 pi m by d cube, that is 8 d cube minus mu naught by 4 pi, minus means difference, magnitude, we are finding only magnitude, 4 pi into m by d. Now if you write this one, 1 by 8 Bh minus Bh, so 1 by 8 Bh minus Bh, so that is equal to 1 minus 8 minus 8, that is 7 magnitude, so 7 by 8 Bh, like this. Okay, so in the same way, if you want to find out, similarly, to find the net magnetic field on the axial line, on the axis, we have to B net is equal to, we have to add two fields as they are acting in same direction, so we have to add these two. This is the formula. Okay, so right now we will see when the south pole of the bar magnet is facing towards geographic north, so opposite direction. So here we are adjusting this bar magnet in such a way its south pole is pointing towards geographic north. So when we place like this, okay, so this pattern of magnetic field lines looks like this. Just observe the diagram. And if you observe this diagram, here on the equator, the magnetic field due to bar magnet and the magnetic field due to Earth's horizontal component, both are equal. Equal in the sense direction is same. So here all in same direction. Okay, so this is this. Both are acting in same direction. BM, BH. But on the axis, magnetic axis, if you see here, this is the direction north to south, right? So north, these magnetic lines are coming out from the magnet like this, for example, and the Earth's magnetic lines are going away. So this is Earth magnetic field, and here north, these magnetic field lines come outside like this. So that magnetic field due to bar magnet is acting downward, and magnetic field due to Earth's horizontal component acting upward. So both are acting in opposite direction. That's why at this point, at X, so null point will be found. The same way upward. So here, this magnetic field due to geographic means Earth's horizontal component field acting down upward, and the field due to this bar magnet downward like this. This is our BM, and this is BH. So both are acting in opposite direction. So that again at this point, net magnetic field becomes 0. So that point is null point. Okay. So I hope you understood. Now here on the equator, both the fields are in same direction. On the axis or on the axial line, both the fields are in opposite direction. Okay, so here we can find net magnetic field same by adding these two, BM plus BH, magnetic field due to bar magnet plus Earth's magnetic field. When they are acting in opposite direction, we can find B net is equal to magnetic field due to bar magnet minus magnetic field due to horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field. So BH, this is the formula. Now if BM is equal to BH, okay, null point will be found. Net magnetic field is 0. Okay, so there like we can write BM, magnetic field due to bar magnet. So BM is equal to formula mu naught by on axial line, magnetic field due to bar magnet on the axial line, mu naught by 4 pi 2m by dq, right? So this is equal to BH. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, so these are the two cases where we find null point. And next, if you take two bar magnets, and how do we find null points between these two? So let us take here, this is our S1 and this is N1, and this is S1 and this is N1. Okay. Here we are taking another bar magnet whose north pole here and south pole here. The magnetic moment of first bar magnet is M1 and the magnetic moment of second bar magnet is M2. Now here these two fields opposite to each other, right? So here N1 field like this, and from N2 these field lines goes like this. So the field lines of M1 will be repelled by the field lines of second bar magnet. So at particular point these two fields become 0. So there the null point will be found. Okay, so how to find that one? So you take the distance between the centers of these bar magnets as R. Okay, so here the net field means magnetic field due to first magnet should be equal to magnetic field due to second bar magnet. So now what is the formula of magnetic field due to bar magnet, first bar magnet? So that is, let us take this distance of this point is x from the center of the magnet. Okay, center of first magnet. Then mu naught by 4 pi into 2m. Why? Because this point is on the axial line. So that the magnetic field due to bar magnet on the axial line is mu naught by 4 pi into 2m1 by distance x. Let us take x cube is equal to magnetic field due to second bar magnet, that is mu naught by 4 pi into 2m2 divided by remaining distance, total distance r, in that you can subtract minus like x, so r minus x whole. Now if you simplify these two equations, so you will get x value r by square root of r by m2 by m1 whole power 1 by 3 plus 1. Okay, so this is the formula. This is from first magnet.